G'day my friends, how are you today? I've got my little helper today. She really is attached to me at the moment. Aren't you, little else? You loving it? We're working on the half track and I've made good progress. I'll have it show you. Got it together. I really am happy with the interior. It's very nice. Oh, I knocked that off. Very nice indeed. A little fire hydrant in the back there. It's very good. I like it. Anyway, so we've got up to putting on the, what do you call those things again? These side thingies here for the wheels. So we're up to that. So what I've done is I've gone with just a texturized look with the Tamiya putty, and I've put that on with a brush and just dabbed that on, and then I put it in place and I went with my brush and I dabbed all under there, so when you can take it off again I could put down some masking tape, paint that up and get all the texture ready, and it fits perfectly, and then we can glue it in properly and stuff like that, and then we don't have to worry about it. So that's my plan, instead of putting on the photo etch. And I see I've sort of finished that up. I'm not going to go too hard with it under there, too hard, but yeah, just sort of, it's really hard to get it texturized and painted and stuff when you've actually got it installed. So that's the plan. And I'm also going to have these lockers open on the sides, so I've painted them with some German red brown. I think I'll just leave them like that, and I've got the back of the doors painted now as well, so we can put them on, but I won't glue them together. The body went together relatively well, so it's all together. I've got a few gaps to fill. God, you're evil. And there's a bit of, it didn't fit too well at the back there, but I'll fix that up, that's no issue. And there's a little bit of a gap there, but in general it went on well. It went on really good. What are you doing? She's distracting me, I'm sorry. And I've forgotten what these things are called because she's distracting me. Yeah, so there you go. But it went together really good. And then I put the front on, the front part. Oh God, you're evil. And there's just a little bit of gap I've got to fill, but not much. So I've just got a little bit of work to do on the body to make it nice. You see, I did damage the front there a bit with my fingernails. Watch out for that soft plastic. No, enough of you. You're gone. Yeah, out. Yep, she's done. So fun days, fun days. I also got these guys worked on. So this is my new resin figure. He looks cool, doesn't he? I made that strap just out of a piece of that photo etch there, the dragon photo etch. I just sort of rolled it over to make it look like a strap, and I'll put a little buckle on it there. I just glued it in under his arm. It looks fantastic. I'm really happy with these figures. And I'll show you the other one. I've got more of these winter ones because they're going to go with this guy. I'm pretty sure. They'll be standing outside. I've started painting this one. He's got a strap as well, a nice brass strap. But that's all buckled up. Bloody amazing detail. It's very dark at the moment because I've started to put down the dark shades. It will lighten up, it will lighten up. But this dragon kit's amazing. Everyone's got to try dragon. It's really cool, I love it. It's one of my favourite builds of all time. It's been very challenging, but I love a good challenge. You know, getting that top part together to fit right, and there's no guidance at all on how to put the side things in or the base in or anything. It's just really just put your tank together. I love it. But it fits well together nice, and the plastic's really good. See, it just sands up so well. It works so well. And with a lot of that, I've just sanded and let the plastic sanding just melt in with some acetone. Melt into that gap. It just looks good. And you see there, we're a bit too big. We can just hit it up with some Tamiya putty. We'll use the, but the issue is, you see you got those weld lines? So we can't go too hard. I might remove those marks. I don't think we need them for anything, so they can go. Those marks can go because I don't think they need it. But that's the next challenge. I'm going to get this body looking nice. So yeah, that's hard sanding, and we'll get to the light sandpaper later. Get rid of all that scratchiness. We'll try and keep a lot of those weld details on the back. This back door looks amazing. That photo etch piece is absolutely stunning. I must say, Dragon photo etch is second to none. So we'll put a toe hook there, and I'll fix that up. I'll reshape it, that base bottom part there. I'll get some, I think I will use some epoxy resin, and we'll reshape it, and I'll make it look better. But yeah, it's very fun. I'm loving it a lot. Dragon doesn't fall together like Tamiya does, or Mini Art even, but it's such a pleasure to build them, I tell you that now. I absolutely love it. Have a good day, guys, and I'll see you again soon.